students, today we are going to do a small English activity. The name of activity is Words Letter Game. Which activity we will do now? Words Letter Game. Okay? So in this activity, what we have to do? We will make two teams. We will make two teams. In team A, there will be boys. In team A, there will be boys. And in team B, there will be girls. Okay? So those who will make correct and more words, that team will be win the game. Okay? Let's start the game. Your word is school. So now who is the winner? Boys are the winners.